good chickens. Let's just open this up. There you guys are. Hello everyone. Hello chickens. Okay, let's go over here. Okay. And let's bring out the food. Oh. So, this portion right here. A lot of eggs, a lot of fruits and vegetables and stuff. Okay, let's see what else is going on. Stop getting in my way. There is Mike right there. Looking here. Oh, there's like a tree in there. That's pretty cool. You know? It's cool things. It's cool renovations everywhere, you know? Yeah. Over here. There's lots of good things with them. So, yeah. Well, bye, chickens. I hope you had fun.